What we've found is towns and cities in Britain that are more digital tend to be more prosperous. So what we're trying to do with St Helens, we are trying to inspire a community and enable them to go digital. We're doing a digital skills makeover for a number of businesses in the area, and we're also offering out about 60 Think Big grants. So really what we're trying to do is to move the dial of St Helens over a 3-month period so that that community becomes more digital. And as a result of doing that, we believe that that will make St Helens a more prosperous place and a more sustainable place for the future.
So what we've got here is the world's first live feed digital clothing rail that we created for O2 Business. The clothing rail works by taking data from social media. We've posted images of the 5 garments that are going to be hung on the rail on Facebook and Instagram, and then we're monitoring those data streams. The levels that you see on the screen here represent the amount of likes, and therefore we can see a ranking across the range of clothing.
It's been fantastic having the digital rail in store. It's created a real buzz. Customers have loved it. They keep going up to it and having a look. They're definitely talking about it. It's been wonderful having O2 Business help us in store. We've been given 3 Surface Pros to work with and Office 365 Business, so it's made our work much more flexible and much more productive. It's just been a real lift. It's been great.